Good looking grid. Oh, Charlie Lay loses it. Oh, Mike D gets around. Go, Mike D. Go, Mike D. Go, Mike. Oh! They come around. Here they come. Robert Moore, Ryan, Charlie Lay, Greg, Quaid. Devin, where's the go truck? Robert Moore, 23-1. Ryan, 23-5. Charlie Lay, 23-6. Greg in fourth, 24-8. Alonzo, 26 flat. CL, 26-7. So what? Your running order is War, Lay, Blackman, Cummings, Miller, Hess, Quaid, Mike, and Jason. The 21-8 for Robert Moore. He's flying. Your leader is the purple and yellow and black checkerboard. Robert Ward, 25-7. Charlie Lay, 21-5 last lap back with a 27-5. Quaid in third now, 22-8. Good lap, Quaid. Ward, 22-3. Lay, 22-5. Greg Cummings moves in the third, 24-6. Mike D in the fourth, 23 flat. CL in the fifth with 24-7. Yo Truck, 23-7. What's wrong, Yo Truck? Greg, you got to get a body on that thing. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our jam car, the Yo Truck. The Mike D and Greg Cummins battling hard. They're pushing. Your running order with 4:45 left, drivers. Robert Moore, Charlie Lay. Greg Cummings is on the same lap. He's about 9 seconds back from Moore and Lay. Greg is in the blue and white, going to the double single. Lay and War are in the solid white and the purple and black and yellow checkerboard. And the War's auto truck. The leader on the green. That's going to allow Lay to make up some time. Then the move through light traffic and come around. War, 25-4. Lay, 24-6, making up some time. 26-8, Charlie. Greg Cummings, 22-6. Greg, fast truck on the track. Greg just got around Charlie Lay second. Oh, second and third loop. Oh, that's third place. War 22-5, Lay 27-7. Quaid now in third, 22-8. Mike D in fourth, 23-4. CL 26-3. Greg 33-3. Alonzo 22 flat. Good lap though. Ryan 26-2. Front stretch, come high out of the sweeper. Track is green. Ward working on your 13th lap with 2:43 to go. Leader's pace 21:809. Charlie Lay moves back into second. (21.9) Lay, good lap. Your running order is Ward, Lay, Quaid, Cummings, Zoe, Mike D, Miller, Blackman, and Sparks. What a newcomer to this class. The drag is in the stock body of the stock SE10 body. That's him coming onto the straightaway now. I think that's Alonso he's duking it out with. Yes, it is. Those two are about a tenth apart. And Greg has it. Alonso wants it. That's your race, ladies and gentlemen, for fourth place right now. Greg has it. Alonso wants it. That's your blue and white SE10 and the black. I love the black and white. Oh, and Alonso gets around him. Those two know each other very well. That's good sportsmanship. They're two really good friends. Your running order
1 minute to go.
Lay, Quaid, Alonso, Greg, Mike D, CL, Ryan, and Jason. I think the Yo truck's about had it, Judge. I knew you would say something about that. It won't happen next week. I'm putting real body posts back in. The heck with the go fast mounts. Robert Ward working on the 20th lap, 15 seconds left. If anybody's got anything left, they better use it now. Five seconds.
The race is over. Please finish the lap you're on.
What he said. Ward's done. Quaid's done. Greg's done. CL's done, Ryan's done, waiting on Lay and Mike D. There's Mike. Here is